Sa lahat ng gustong maging cabin crew, hiring ang Cebu Pacific sa Bacolod. So, department will be cabin services, employee type probationary. So, sa lahat ng gustong mag-apply, pumunta lang kayo sa LinkedIn, i-search nyo ang cabin crew. Or pwede nyo i-search ang Cebu Pacific Company, then pumunta kayo sa jobs, then apply. Ang sabi dito, apply today and wait to receive your schedule for your screening and interviews during our grand recruitment happening in SMX Convention Center, Bacolod, this August 17, 2024. Ano nga ba ang mga requirements? You are eligible to apply if you meet the below basic qualifications and skills or qualities required. Must have finished at least senior high school, grade 12. Preferably has previous experience as a cabin crew, particularly A320, A321, A330 qualified. Must meet the minimum height requirement of 5'3" for females and 5'7" for males, and a reach test of 210 centimeters. Candidates without prior experience as a cabin crew may also apply. Open to Filipino nationals based in the Philippines only. Must be proficient in Filipino and English language. Must be physically fit to undergo the training and perform the roles and responsibilities of a cabin crew. Must have a customer-centric mindset. Must possess confidence and creativity in problem solving. Willing to be based outside of Manila if necessary. Okay, Masters, this event will be exclusive recruitment for cabin crew positions only at Bacolod, Philippines on August 17, 2024. Please wait for your schedule to be received via your registered email address. We encourage applicants to submit an updated resume with a photograph upon application. Only those submitted via the career site will be processed. And sa attire, during the assessment day, please follow strict compliance on business attire. For male applicants, please wear pants, trousers, and short sleeve polo. Blazers, coats, or jackets are not required. For female applicants, please wear a short sleeve inner top, a blazer or a jacket, and a knee-length skirt. Hair must be tied in a bun with appropriate makeup. And dito, Masters, may note dito. Screenshot nyo na lang. Just do your best, and pag hindi kayo natanggap, huwag kayong magrarant sa Facebook or sa social media. Pag nagrant kayo and makita nila, baka ma-blacklist pa kayo. And mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake hiring and training advertisement by unknown groups. Disclaimer, Masters, hindi ako part ng Cebu Pacific. Isa akong content creator, so pag may mga tanong kayo, ask Cebu Pacific directly. For official information on our job openings, please visit our LinkedIn or career site for reference. So sa lahat ng mag-a-apply, good luck sa inyong lahat. And sabi nga ni Master Bay, dream big, sky is the limit.